Good evening. So, this is my service blueprint for pandemic opportunities for out of school youths. I choose selling plants or flowers. If the problem is if your backyard is boring, the opportunity for this is today, particularly during the pandemic, many people wants to plant and buy various type of plants or flowers. If your backyard is boring, you can plant plants or flowers, and if it's possible, to sell it using social accounts such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So here is my service blueprint for out of school youth. First, you need to look in social media page. So the next one is for the booking service. So the customers fill up out of booking form. So after that, the owner will confirm all of the details. So the owner will sending pending email. So the next one, the owner will assign the booking request to the delivery driver. So the delivery driver will confirm the request. So after that, the delivery driver will perform the service. So after performing the service, the client will give instruction such as the address of the client to the delivery driver, and then the delivery driver will give instructions to the customers in giving feedbacks. So after that, the client will evaluate. So after evaluating, the client will give payment to the delivery driver. So the delivery driver will receive payments. So the delivery driver, after receiving the payments, the delivery driver will remit the payment to the owner. So the owner will record of all of the transaction. Yes, so that's all.